Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're craving the thrill of first-person view flying with a drone that captures ultra-sharp 4K video, performs mind-blowing acrobatics, and is built for immersive experiences, then get ready to dive in. Because today, we're reviewing the DJI Avata 2 FPV drone with 4K camera for adults. This beast features a 1/1.3-inch sensor for 4K 60 frames per second HDR video. RockSteady 3.0 plus stabilization for smooth footage during flips and rolls, integrated propeller guards for safe crashes, up to 23 minutes flight time per battery, 13-kilometer 0.4 transmission for lag-free FPV, turtle mode to flip upright after landing upside down, and a compact design that's perfect for adrenaline junkies. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a drone that delivers heart-pounding FPV flights with pro-level video for action sports, exploration, or creative content, this is the one that'll flip your world. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the DJI Avata 2 FPV drone. This drone has a rugged, compact design with built-in propeller guards to protect during aggressive maneuvers or crashes. Weighing about 581 grams, so it's portable but sturdy. The camera is a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second with HDR for vibrant colors and details in high-contrast scenes, plus a 155-degree ultra-wide field of view for immersive perspectives. Stabilization is top tier with RockSteady 3.0 plus for electronic image stabilization that keeps footage steady during flips, rolls, and dives, and HorizonSteady to maintain level horizons even at high tilts. Flight time is 23 minutes per intelligent battery, with the combo kit including 3 batteries and a charging hub for quick swaps. Transmission uses 0.4 technology for a 13-kilometer range with 1080p 60 frames per second live feed to the DJI Goggles 3 or remote, ensuring low latency under 30 milliseconds for responsive control. Safety includes turtle mode to self-right after upside-down landings, APAS for obstacle avoidance in normal mode, and automatic return to home on low battery or lost signal. Smart modes like motion control let you steer with hand movements via the remote, and Easy Acro enables one-stick flips and rolls for beginners. The DJI Fly app allows editing with templates and effects for quick shares. It's wind-resistant up to level 6, and setup is simple. Pair with goggles and remote, calibrate, and launch. Priced around $1,000 for the Fly More combo, it's built for durability with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are thrilling. Immersive 4K HDR video with ultra-wide FOV that captures every detail, advanced stabilization for smooth acrobatic footage, built-in guards for crash-resistant fun, solid 23-minute battery with extras in the kit, ultra-low latency transmission for precise FPV control, and easy modes like Turtle and Acro for beginner thrills. Users rave about the adrenaline rush, video quality for action content, and how it's accessible yet powerful. On the con side, short 23-minute battery compared to non-FPV drones, loud propeller noise during flights, no full omnidirectional sensing in sport mode for acrobatics, and the goggles can feel heavy for long sessions. A few mention the price is high for beginners, but overall, the pros dominate for FPV enthusiasts. My recommendation? Absolutely, go for the DJI Avata 2 FPV drone if you love immersive flying and the pros like 4K video, acrobatics, and safety make sense for you. It's perfect for action sports fans, creators, or anyone seeking excitement in the air. Before we wrap, if these reviews get your adrenaline pumping, hit subscribe for more gear guides and click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who craves speed, or subscribe for more. See you next time.